clouds look wild right now. Let me show you that. It looks like a waterfall in the sky right now. Hang on. Like it's just pouring, like it's pouring down. The clouds are pouring down. It's different little micro bursts all over town, like just different pockets of rain. But it looks like a waterfall up here. And then straight ahead, you can see there's a really faint rainbow right above this tree. You see that cloud, how it's like at a diagonal? Never seen nothing like that.